Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to design a professional looking logo without hiring a designer? In today's video, I will show you how to create a stunning logo using Canva, quick and easy and free. Whether you are starting a business, a YouTube channel, or a personal brand, this guide will help you make a unique logo in just minutes. Let's get started. First of all, go to www.canva.com or open the Canva app. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free using your email or Google account. Now, click Create a Design, search Logo. Canva will automatically set the right dimensions like 500 into 500 pixel or 1000 into 1000 pixel for HD quality. Extra tip: if you need a transparent background, upgrade to Canva Pro or download with a white background and remove it later. Now, you will see hundreds of pre-made logo templates. You can pick one that fits your brand style and customize it, or start from scratch for a fully unique design. Use the search bar to find industry-specific templates like tech logo, then hit enter. Click on a template to open the editor. Okay. Now let's make the logo truly yours. Here's how. Change the text. Click on the text and click on the text box to edit the brand name and tagline. Okay. Choose a font or pick a style and that matches your brand vibe. Okay. Adjust color, select it and mm, click on any element to change its color using the color picker. Use Canva effects to add shadows, gradients, or outlines for a pro look. Final touches and aligning your design. Before you download, let's make sure everything is aligned and visually balanced. Click on Position, to center, align text and elements. Use specifying to adjust letter and line spacing for a polished look. Okay. Zoom out and review the design for any needed adjustment. Keep your logo simple, avoid too many details so it looks great at any size. Now it's time to save your logo. Click share, then download. Choose PNG from here for high quality or JPG for smaller file. Then if you have Canva Pro, select a transparent background for a clean look on any background. Click download. And that's it. Hit save. You have just created a professional logo in Canva all for free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.